In this video, I will be speaking about what items to bring into the hospital with you for your surgery. Plan to wear loose-fitting clothing. Bring either sneakers or slippers with a back and rubber sole for support while you are walking in the halls with your therapy and nursing teams. Please note your leg may be a little swollen, so choose footwear that will accommodate some swelling. It is important to note that you do not need to bring your walker or cane in from home. There are assistive devices at the hospital for you to use, and each are cleaned as per CDC guidelines. If you do need to bring any specific assistive devices with you, please ensure that it is labeled with your name and phone number. Your caregiver is an important part of your recovery process and are more than welcome to observe your therapy sessions. Following surgery, you may be on some new medications and your operated leg will feel a little bit weaker than before surgery. For those reasons, it is imperative to use your call bell and ring for assistance prior to getting out of bed or standing from the chair. The staff will be more than happy to assist with your needs. Thank you and good luck with your surgery.